one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Joseph Mutangadura, a life cut short by violence, the 24th of August 2025, by Comfort Dondo, the brutal killing of Joseph Mutangadura, gunned down by suspected robbers or assassins, has torn through my heart. For me, this is not just another headline, it is painfully personal. Mutangadura was not only a successful businessman, he was also a man my late father called a friend. Both were Musoni, men of courage and industry. My father had very few close companions, but Mutangadura was one of them. As a child, I remember countless weekends at his home, often ordering meat from my father's butchery. Those visits were filled with warmth, laughter, and a deep sense of kinship. Now, faced with the cruelty of his death, those memories cut like a knife. His loss has reopened the wounds of losing my father, wounds I thought time had slowly begun to heal. The Musoni totem is small in number, but what we lack in size we make up for in closeness, loyalty, and unbreakable bonds. When one of us is taken, it feels as though the whole tribe has been wounded. Today, that is how I feel. To my brothers and sisters in the Musoni clan, I extend my love and deepest condolences. I know the sharpness of grief, the hollow silence that follows, and the long nights of asking why. No family should ever endure such cruelty. Yet here we are, bound together in mourning. Joseph Mutangadura lived with strength, generosity, and dignity. His death is a tragedy that should shake our conscience as a nation. We cannot allow violence to continue robbing us of fathers, brothers, and leaders. Rest in peace, Joseph Mutangadura. Our Musoni, you leave behind not only memories, but a legacy of resilience, kinship, and love that will endure beyond this senseless act of violence.